How to recover from a failure in the CPA exam. CPAs are viewed as an elite group of professionals, respected and admired by their peers, clients, and the general population. Having been through years of academic and technical training, and passing the rigorous CPA exam, these individuals acquire a level of expertise and proficiency that is beyond the scope of a standard accountant, which earns them the prestigious designation. With the number of benefits that come with the CPA license, obtaining the CPA designation isn't an easy task because if it were, everyone would have it. The CPA exam tests candidates on their capability to analyze, understand, evaluate, apply, and remember. The exam uses these ideas to assess candidates in their exercise of higher-order skills. The CPA exam pass rates, averaging at about 50%, are one of the most fascinating aspects of the process of CPA certification, suggesting only about half the number of candidates pass the 4 exam sections on their first try. With these notorious pass rates and the amount of time it takes to clear all the 4 examination sections, the uniform CPA exam is one of the most demanding professional credentialing exams. Failure is disappointing for everyone, especially for CPA exam candidates who spend a lot of time, energy, and finances in preparation for the exam. Here are some tips on how to pick yourself back up and pass the exam after you have failed a section of the CPA exam. Figure out why you failed the exam. The first thing for you to do is to look back at your score, and figure out what your weak areas are in order to analyze and understand what went wrong. Did you not study long enough? The CPA exam is difficult for a reason. Only a disciplined schedule of consistent study over a longer period is going to guarantee success in the examination. You could most likely be juggling a full-time job or college while preparing for the exam. This makes it very important for you to make enough time for yourself to study. You should also start the process well in advance of your exam date so that you can get through all of the practice material. Were you not consistent with your studies? If you want to pass the CPA exam, it is crucial to have a comprehensive study plan in place and stick to it and study on a consistent basis, without which you would just be taking a haphazard approach to preparing for the CPA exam. Even if you studied for many hours, you might not have studied the right topics or types of questions. Set a schedule and be regular with it even if you do not plan to study every day. Did you not sign up for a CPA review course? One of the major perks of having a well-designed review course is that it allows you to be on track by keeping you accustomed to a schedule. This is very true for live and live online courses, but nowadays, a lot of self-paced courses also often include schedules, study plans, progress feedback, and a countdown until the exam. Review courses also help you study the right material by focusing on your weaknesses and giving you the opportunity to spend more time practicing those problems. Did you enroll for a review course and still failed? All review courses are not the same, and you need to pick one that is right for you. Find a review course that matches your learning style. If the one you used earlier didn't work for you, consider switching to a different review course, depending on whether you are more of a self-paced visual learner, or someone who needs to attend regular online classes taught in real time by an experienced instructor. Make sure you're using your review course to the utmost capacity. Consider taking the Simandhar CPA Review course for your CPA exam preparation. Simandhar CPA Review in association with Becker is designed with a practical and experiential learning methodology, engaging participants using mock exams, task-based simulations, and sample problems with functionality that mirrors the US CPA exam. The comprehensive content is updated regularly and delivered by experienced faculty. The methodology offers real-life challenges, compelling the learners to apply concepts in the class and prepare for career realities. The above article tells you how to prepare for the CPA exam again after you have failed once. If you have any queries, feel free to comment in the section below. Happy learning! Learn how to use CPA, from first basics to advanced techniques, with online video tutorials taught by industry experts. Simandhar Education is best leading CPA exam in India. Contact us at 919390785925. Hurry up! CPA exam now in India, and Simandhar Education will help you to achieve it. Thank you.